Hi guys, it's Sherry. So today we are going to be making rainbow earrings, and the first thing that you are going to need are all your rainbow colors. I have mine rolled out to the thickest setting on my pasta machine. So I have this cutter and you can see that it makes a beautiful shape to it. So that is what we are going to be using. And the very first thing that you're going to do is I'm actually going to start to work backwards. So I'm going to go purple first, and then my blue, and I'm just going to keep working backwards, and I am just going to butt them right up to each other. So you will end up having your pieces right next to each other like that. And I'm doing my cuts pretty thin because I want to get pretty many rainbows on here. And if you're having problems, even with your blade, if you do like a straight blade, just pull your thing forward and it'll stick. So it just makes it much easier that way. And then after I'm done with each color of my rainbow, I will add white. And that will kind of just break it up just a bit. Okay, so I'm going to stop there. And then I'm going to push these off to the side for right now. And then I'm going to get my wax paper. And then I'm just going to burnish these and make sure everything sticks well together. And I'm not going to be rubbing too hard. I just want to make sure that when I lift this, it's going to be put together nicely and not fall apart on me. So now you can see we will have a beautiful front and back. So I will set this right on my wax paper. And I'm just going to make sure everything is nicely secured. Now, I want my pieces to kind of have like a bump. I don't want them flat like this. I want them to kind of be raised. So I am going to use saran wrap. And that will help keep my piece raised a bit. And then I just have my cutter here. Okay. Okay, so now my next step is I want to make some clouds. So I'm going to make 2 clouds that are larger. And then 2 smaller clouds. I'm actually going to use my saran wrap for the smaller ones. So then they will come out easier. So 2 of them we're going to leave just the way that they are. And then 2 of them we're going to add some special things to them. So these 2, I want my special little pieces. So the first thing I'm going to do is punch my holes right into my pieces right away. I'm just going right in the middle at the top and then one on each of the bottoms. And then I will, do I want to, yeah. I'm gonna use yellow for this. These are going to be my little suns for the top of my earrings. And I'm going to use this little flower imprint, and I am just going to go right in the middle. So for the sun, I'm actually going to take my glitter, and I am just going to put some gold glitter right over this. And I'm not going to do, you know, a thick coat, but I want it to sparkle. I'll do the back as well. And that's how pretty it will look. And we'll do the same thing with this one. And I'm going to get my big clouds. And I have some oven baked clay adhesive. And I'm going to put a small coat of that on each one of my clouds. And then I will just spread this right on top of it. And then I have this ice resin opals. And then I will take some of this and just kind of spread it around on here. And just pat it down. For my little ones, I will take some of my clay adhesive again. Put a little bit on each one. And then I have these tiny little pearls that I will be adding on top of that. So get a wax tip, and then you could easily pick up all these little pearls and just set them right on there with your adhesive, and they will help, that adhesive will help hold all your little pearls into place. You want to leave that little, you got to leave a little area open for your hole to get into. I'm going to punch my holes in right away. I'm just pushing down to make sure that all those little pearls are kind of pushed in there. And that's what they will look like. So they're very fun. Our other ones look like that. So I'm going to put my hole into here right away. So all these special ones that we just made are going to go on this one. And then for this one, we are just going to keep it very simple. I am going to take my other cutter, and I will just cut out regular little tops for this. And I will cut out bottoms for this one. And then for, oops. And for the bottom, we will just do regular little clouds. So place this in your oven at 275 and then we will be back. All right, guys, so my pieces obviously are out of the oven. They cooled off. I put them together. Well, most of them I put together. This is what this one looks like. So you can see this just has two little tiny baby clouds on the bottom, and then it has like the teardrop shape on the top, and it's beautiful. I ended up just putting the back on with the super glue. But this one, I love this one. And I just love having one big cloud and then two of the tiny ones. And then obviously the sparkle and the pearls really make this pop. And then to have the sun on top, I really, really love this. So I will put a fish hook post in there. And I also resined these. I want to make sure that the glitter and the little pearls were protected. But I really hope you guys enjoyed creating these pieces with me. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.